Hi there, my name is Ayuni, and today I'll be reading another book titled My Special Hair. It's written by Candice Dingwall and illustrated by Jess Jardine Weatherball. So let's begin. I have a very special head, a special head of hair. My special hair is quite unique. My special hair is rare. It grows not just on any head, but mine, my own, just me. My special hair does special things. It's magic hair, you see. In summer, when the sun is hot, with no shade anywhere, I do not sweat, I do not burn. I grow a head of hair. In winter, when my nose turns red, and when the cold wind blows, my special hair grows very long. I'm wrapped from top to toes. In spring, when all the birds come out and each one builds a nest, my head is full of songs because my special hair is best. In autumn, when the leaves fall down, no flowers to be found, my special head begins to bloom, bright blossoms all around. My special hair is stiff and strong. It does not hang or drape. I never look the same because my hair can change its shape. My special hair is full of curls. It's twisted, tangled, tough. My special hair grows hairy hands, a place to store my stuff. My special hair grows special wings, so smooth, so soft, so light. They float around my face until my hair and I take flight. My special hair is colorful, a rainbow all in one. It brightens up the darkest day. My hair is full of fun. My special hair is full of love. With love, my head is crowned. It grows and grows and grows until I spread it all around. So many types of special heads, so many types of hair. Be proud of what you have on top. Your magic grows up there. And that's the end of this story. So, I think reading is important because it can teach us as readers to love ourselves with confidence, and that's what we need in this world. It can also teach us joys of laughter and maybe how to be a little more kinder to ourselves and everyone around us. So let's keep on reading and keep on fighting against illiteracy. That's all for me today. Thank you very much.